Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A10e, a feature-rich smartphone with plenty of performance and coverage on the nation's largest, most dependable 4G LTE network with total wireless. The A10e runs on Android 9.0, has storage for all your photos and videos, and an octa-core processor to keep everything running smoothly. Its large touchscreen provides an enjoyable edge-to-edge viewing experience, and the 5-megapixel front-facing camera makes video chat with your friends crisp and clear. The Galaxy A10e can capture the finest details of your special moments with an 8-megapixel rear camera that also records stunning high-quality video. Use it to access a world of apps, books, games, and more on Google Play. And find your way with built-in GPS navigation. The Samsung Galaxy A10e, everything you need to stay connected with friends, family, and, well, everything, at a price you'll love even more. Available from Total Wireless. Total Wireless. Total confidence.